Without overstating, without exaggerating, with my all honesty, I can say that I am at one of the world's most beautiful places. I mean, the place is just mind-blowing. Hello friends, welcome to Sikkim. We are currently en route to North Sikkim, Lachen. And yeah, I know that many people who know about Sikkim know that people generally first come to Gangtok, and I am not vlogging about Gangtok first. We have been into Gangtok, we stayed there for 2 nights, and I'll be bringing out the Gangtok vlog later after this. Right now we are going to North Sikkim. We are somewhere midway. I'm not sure of the place. There's a huge waterfall. People I think call it Naga waterfall. Our plan is to stay for 2 nights in North Sikkim, 1 night in Lachen and another night in Lachung. I'm not sure about the weather conditions there and what places I'll be able to cover, but the agenda includes Guru Dongmar Lake and Zero Point and Yumthang Valley. We are currently at Chungthang. This is the diversion point of Lachen and Lachung, and this is the origin of Teesta River. So I don't know whether it will be visible in the video or not. If you can see, the color of water is different. There are 2 streams merging. One is coming from Lachung and one is coming from Lachen. The deeper you go into Himalayas, the more beautiful it starts becoming. So this is local called river as Chu, I think. This is what is Lachen Chu, because we are actually going to Lachen right now, and this is the river which is coming from there. And this river is gonna merge with Lachung Chu, which is Lachung River in Chungthang, and these two rivers together will become Teesta River. Guys, we have finally reached Guru Dongmar Lake. This lake is India's highest altitude lake, and it sits at around 17,600 feet, which is around 5,400 meters. I'm going to give you this thing in perspective. Everest Base Camp is at similar heights, and the skydiving, right? When people go for skydiving, the skydiving happens at somewhere around 15,000 feet altitude. So you can imagine how high this is. I mean, this place is higher than the Rupin Pass trek which I did last year in 2019. That pass was somewhere around 15,500 feet. This place is 17,600 feet. This is the highest I have came so far. This is the lake behind me. This place is bone chilling cold. I mean, at this height you can easily catch AMS. You'll have breathing problems. I have seen a lot of people vomiting here and there. So the best thing to do here is to take everything slow, not run here and there around, and just walk slowly. Good thing is vehicles come up to this point where you can easily see the lake. You don't have to walk much. And after this we are gonna return back to Lachen. Maybe we are gonna do one more place called Kala Patthar. Let's see. The sky is clear till now. Maybe we'll do that. And after Kala Patthar we'll return to Lachen. We'll have lunch and then we'll go to Lachung. And then tomorrow we have planned to go to Yumthang Valley. Just look at the views behind me. We are currently on Tibetan Plateau. I'm not saying we are in Tibet. It's just that the plateau we are standing at is a Tibetan Plateau. And this place actually looks like somewhat like, Ladakh or Spiti. This is the famous Chopta Valley of Lachen. We are currently going to Kala Patthar. We have time and the weather is okay. It's not that too bad. And after Kala Patthar, we'll be returning to Lachen to have lunch and then proceed to Lachung. Even this Chopta Valley, the view is really gorgeous. Okay, so we have finally made it to Kala Patthar. This place is a bit offbeat. Not a lot of tourists come here because generally when people go for Guru Dongmar itinerary, right? So that doesn't include this Kala Patthar. So you can ask your cab driver. Cab driver can also tell you the same thing, that with some extra charges you can come here as well. And this thing is basically like the road still goes somewhat more ahead. I don't know like how long this road is, but a point will come where you'll find snow, and that is the point where you will have to stop, but you can enjoy this place to your core. New morning, new place. We have left Lachung around an hour back and now we are at Yumthang Valley. The entire place is covered with snow. I think there was a snow for last night because the weather was not clear in Lachung also. And this valley currently is covered with snow, but it will be covered with all kinds of flower, mostly rhododendron, after beginning of April. It is cold right now, and unlike yesterday, it's not sunny also. Everything is cloudy. And my god, the valley is so beautiful. All the trees are covered with snow. Like, it looks like the trees are white in color. This is the Yumthang Valley, as seen in a lot of other footages from above the mountains when we are going to Zero Point. This place is full of meadows and grasslands. I think this is, right now it's not green, but it will be after monsoon. And here it is, the Lachung River. This is the first valley viewpoint on route to Zero Point, big valley viewpoint. You can get a lot of food items here. Even people are serving drinks, whiskey on the rocks, literally. Anyways, right now it's snowing a little bit, not much, but the weather is, I don't know what to say, fantastic. It's not sunny, it's not that cold, it's a bit windy, but it's cloudy and it feels a lot misty. Now we are almost at Zero Point. The roads, I mean, till now, bit of snow, bit of smooth, bit of wet. but after this I think the road condition is not good, so we'll be returning from here. Behind me is the Lachung Chu river. Chu actually means river, so people call it Lachung Chu, and the originating point of this river is like somewhat ahead of here, like there is some glacier. After a few kilometers from there, this river actually starts, and this entire place is just mind-blowing. We are again above the tree lines right now, and this place I think has some altitude of somewhere around 14,500 to 15,000 feet. We are now returning from the 0 point. We might stop at some of the other valley viewpoints, and after that we'll be heading to Lachung. We'll have lunch there, and we'll try to cover one more place that is called Bhim Nala. Yesterday we saw that, but it was raining, we couldn't stop there. It's basically a huge waterfall. So after completing that, we'll be going back to Gangtok. So this will be the end of North Sikkim vlog.